What up? It's Eric, the Ghost FPV. Today we're doing things a little bit different. Decided to take the DJI FPV to the beach and rip there a little bit. So I've got to do a 2-minute voiceover here while we're killing time on this, 25-minute drive to the beach. I guess while I'm here, I'm gonna tell Sam, if you're listening, man, let's get that F-22 in the air this weekend. If not, I just got to keep taking the DJI to random places like this. Figured, there wasn't going to be too many people at the beach today. And I was kind of right. I mean, it wasn't as packed as it would normally be because it was, I don't know, 60, 65 degrees, something to that effect. It was a really nice day. It wasn't too windy or anything. By the time I walked all the way out to the beach, I realized I forgot my SD card, so I had to take the slow one from the goggles and end up using that, and it's a slower SD card. Oddly enough, the footage came out pretty good. So we're almost there. I decided to cut through Dania Beach here. Luckily, I, sped this up 8 times and did a lot of cuts in between because literally this is a 25-minute drive condensed down to, I guess, about 2 minutes and change. Either way, we're almost here. I made a wrong turn because I saw some old cars and these pipes on the side of the road, which I'm going to make a short of. You'll see later. All right, well, enjoy. I guess I got a couple more seconds. Sam, F-22 this weekend. No crashing, man. Come on, let's do this.